Hello everyone and welcome to Bumby. I just wanted to quickly do a video and show you how I set up here to accommodate. Actually, we're going to be 12 people this time instead of 14. But as you can see that the dining room table was moved over here to the couch area. And that gives us 7 seatings this way. And we're comfortably, everybody will be comfortable. And then here is the coffee bar, or the antique coffee bar. And this has been opened to be a dining room table. So we actually have, with the ottoman in the back, we can fit there 3 people, and then 2, 1 at each side, and that leaves this open space by the front door. And then over here is where we have all our coffee, hot tea, hot cocoa. I made a little candy bouquet for the kids. I have the little lollipops, lemons ready for tea. And then I put a plate with some cookies. Okay, as you can see, there's already gifts everywhere, tucked in different places. So yeah. So now let me show you my little beverage station. So over here into the hallway, I have made a little drink station. I have a sign that says beverages. Here I'm going to make some fresh iced tea. We have napkins. We have forks in the back. We have the vintage ice chest, and we will pour ice on there. Then up on the wall, using vertical space, we have plates and cups as well. So this shelf here I have left empty, and there we're going to stock it with sodas and bottled waters. Okay, so I'm in the same hallway, but I'm going to turn around to the next wall, and then let me show you here. Oh my God, this is a wreath that my wonderful, love her so much, friend Patty gave me. It's actually a Warner Brothers wreath. She used to be the music editor for that company. So I have a little wreath. So see here I have a 2-tier tray using my vintage Christmas dishes. I plan to put chips here, and then we have shrimp, and we have sandwiches, and then we're going to do hot queso right over here. And then here we're going to do some sushi. And what else do I have? Oh, I can't remember. Anyways, once I set it up, I'll film it for you guys to see. Then the next shelf here, I have brownies, I have cheesecake bites, and I have some cookies. And then on the bottom shelf, I'm probably going to remove that in the next couple of minutes because we have pies coming, and the pies can go on the bottom shelf. And then I have extra dishes in case we need. Over here I have these little square dishes that I just washed. One's going to go with cocktail sauce, and the other one's going to have mayo for the sub sandwiches. So yeah. And this is the hallway. So my advice to you guys, if you live in a small space or even in a big space, but especially if you live in such a limited space, try to use vertical space. Try to make different stations in your house. That way your guests can take care of themselves, help themselves, and that gives you more time to do the things you're going to do in the kitchen. Oh, that's right. We also have chicken tamales. I'm going to put those and cut them up in little cubes and put it as an appetizer. Here I've got my yuca on the stove, and it's boiling. I have my black beans on the stove since early this morning. And then I have butt pork in the oven, some lechon, and then we're also going to do a tri-tip, and that's the last thing I'll do. Oh, and we already have the plátanos cut up to fry, because we're going to have plátano maduro frito. Okay, so here I have my bread. I'm going to cut that up and toast it. And we have Hawaiian rolls. We also have Cuban crackers. So yeah. Okay, so here's some candy for the dessert stand over there. Here's the California rolls. And then this is a sub that I bought that I'm going to be cutting in snack sizes. So yeah. Then not much left to do. Now I'm going to do the rice in a little bit and get the white rice cooking for the black beans. So guys, I will come back once I set up the appetizer bar so you can see it more closely. But see, it is comfortable. We're all going to be seated to be able to eat correctly on a table. I'm not even done with the tables. I didn't put steak knife because we're also having tri-tip. So yeah. So now, after we finish eating, we're going to take this table and make it smaller, and we're going to push it to that corner. And then we're going to take this table and push it back over here to the dining room. So then we have this area here open, so we can open our gifts. Okay, so let me start. I'm not going to put the camera so you can come with me as I do the appetizers. Guys, I'm not feeling too good. I fell yesterday. I have bruised knees, and I also have my right wrist. I can't pick up anything or do anything. So Javen is here helping me, and slowly I'm going to do the appetizer table. Okay guys, as you can see, I have all the appetizers already out. There's the chips. There is the shrimp. There is the sandwiches that I cut into smaller pieces. We've got the cheese sauce in the microwave heating up. There's our sushi, our tamales, cocktail sauce, and mayo. And then we have here the cookies, the cheese bites, brownie. We have my arroz con leche, Cuban style, and then my apple pie. Here are the kids, and they're decorating cookies. Well, yeah, you have to like sprinkle it real lightly. So what you guys do? Smiley faces?
I need green. Oh, hey, you're coughing. Coughing. Knock, what was I doing? Am I gonna see this video?
Don't you always watch Grandma's videos?
Yes.
Then yeah. Okay, that's enough, Jaylee.
Baba, I'm gonna do this one.
Hey, be careful with the sprinkles, okay?
There we go. I think we need a little bit more slice.
You want some more plates?
Yes.
Okay. I'll get them for you, okay?
There you go.
Now you gotta do... Oh, it did work? Okay. You kind of did a star. Javen and Jaylee, do you guys want to say Merry Christmas to the subscribers?
Yeah. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Love you guys. Okay. Get busy. There's a lot of cookies there to decorate. Let me see. What is that? A hamburger?
Yeah.
Okay, y'all done. Wow, good job, guys.
Smiley face.
That's a cute little smiley face.
Here's mine.
That's backwards,
Here's
though.
Mine. Here's mine.
There's your star, right? Yeah.
Wait,
Let me
where's
see,
my
what'd
J?
you do,
Here's
a
my
burger?
J. Yeah. Here's my J.
I should copy me. I need the burger first.
Okay.
Here's my J.
When you get up from there, you need to wash your hands before you get up from there, okay? All right. Good job, guys.
My hands are stained.
I know, but we're going to wash them after you're done eating that, okay? Hi, Jaylee. Love you, mamas. Did you see the candy bouquet that I made you guys? Do you saw it? You like it? Do you want a candy? Okay, but you have to eat dinner first, okay? Come on, you know. Alcohol in the bathroom. Okay, guys, so now we've eaten dinner and we're ready to get together here with dessert and coffee. And see, now what we did is we pushed the table back in its dining room area. We broke down this coffee cart. Okay, so see how we put the ottoman there? So we would have seating. See, now we have plenty of seating. And we can open all the gifts. Look at all the gifts that came in from all the guests. That's all full. Full. And then back there under that table is full too. Hi, Mama. Can I get Becho? Becho. No? Can I get Becho? Uh-oh. Don't touch. That's glass. Don't touch. Jules.
Don't I haven't even seen them yet. Can you stop?
Jules. Can Wela get a Becho? Mwah. Hey, can I get a Becho? I got candy, Jules. Yeah, I got candy. Well, that changed your mind fast. Look, did Santa Claus bring you gifts, Jules?
You want apple pie, right, sir?
Show Nana.
Hi, Toodaloo. You want to play?
Cool.
Let me see, Jay.
Are you sure that's a Cubano?
Yeah. Good job, Matt. Good job, Matt. Mama. Look at this thing right here. You can see it.
You look so handsome. Jules, you didn't get a present?
Jules! Look it, right here. Open
Yay, Jules.
Rip it.
Who's that?
Right here.
Another one?
Oh, Colin. Who's this from?
The baby Jay.
From me.
Rip it.
Me. You.
Grandma, baby again?
Rip it.
What?
Rip it down.
I'm putting Jules and Melissa's right here.
Rip it, Mama. Rip it. You're almost done. Rip it. Rip it. Look it. No.
No, this one,
Do this one
Jules.
first.
Grab the one that was on the chair.
Oh.
Here, do this one first.
Is this from you? Is this from you?
That's from me.
Sit down. Rip it open.
Mom from Melissa. Mom from Melissa.
Oh, cool.
Stop.
Melissa and Trevor.
Oh, look at Mama. Rip it open all the way. All the way.
David.
Mama, this is too puppy I have.
Thank you.
Mama, this is too puppy I
The
have.
receipt's in there.
Here.
Mama, this is too puppy I have.
Yeah. Let me see, Jules.
I know who that is. To Grandpa. To Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Yay.
Grandpa.
Jules.
David, whose is this?
What the hell is this?
Oh.
Let me see.
No, this is just David's bag. I was just looking at these.
Those are ornaments
This is from
No,
So you put
to put them on the tree.
Shelby.
Open
This is
it.
from Phil.
To the wow wow.
Jules, can Wela have a Becho? Mwah.
He does.
Oh,
Can I get a Becho?
Come here.
Jules. Hey, where are you going? Go that way. Go over there. No, don't touch.
You're welcome.
Besides, I think I actually have a pair just like this. This is just far away.
These are cute.
Let me see, the socks are like up to your knees, isn't it? Look at
What's that? Put your stuff back
Super
in the bag,
cute.
baby, so they don't get lost. You got a kitty blankie?
That's pretty bananas, dude.
I told her not to get you the DP.
I don't know, but I don't want to open it.
what? That's cute. What is it? That's adorable. Love that snowman.
She hasn't opened it because
Okay, open it. Oh my God, how beautiful. What's that? My Cuban island. Woohoo! Love it.
oh yeah, Mom, thank you.
Right here, open it. Look. Open it right here. Come on, Jules. Open it.
That's a cool little sweatshirt.
Open it. You need help? Yay! Yay, Jules. You like it, Mama? Bunch of balls. Oh my God, that's gorgeous.
Mom, we're gonna have balls
Beautiful.
You gonna wrap it up?
Mom, we're gonna have balls everywhere. Mom, bad news.
Hey, stop.
Mama, I don't need a receipt though. You got a Walmart and exchange it?
No, just exchange it. When they scan it, they know it's from Walmart.
Bad news. Balls are over our house.
Stop it.
Unicorny.
Look, she wants them. You want your balls? Jules.
That's Jules from Michael.
It gave great light, and so